Hello everyone, I am Surabhi. Welcome to my channel. Today's busy book is for my younger one who just turned 6-year-old. She's a year-in baby, so she's on the younger side of 6-year-old. In this one, we are be comparing numbers. We'll be doing weight comparison, size comparison, and length comparison. It'll be again fun-based puzzles, and the activities will start with this one. So I have drawn 4 trees as per my drawing, PQRS, and then tree dash is taller than tree R but shorter than P. Tree dash is the shortest, tree this is the tallest. Checking the very basic size comparison. This will be easy because size she knows very well. So we start with the easier activity. Now here, which is the longest? So you see there is one line, but it has been folded. So when you stretch it out, it will become very long. So this will be the longest. Again here also, the size in the end looks same, but this has more twist and turns, so when this expands it will become bigger. The second will be the longest. So this will be a new concept to her because we never talked about it, and it'll be good to see does she figure it out herself or I explain this logic. Now weight comparison. Now weight comparison is a complicated topic for her because the simple reason that we don't see weighing machines here. She has never seen vegetables being put on a weighing balance and all. So we have done some experiments at home that heavier things goes down. We made a DIY weighing balance using the hanger and cups. We did all that, but she still forgets at times, and still we are trying to do here. So it's a comparison. So A is heavier than B and B and C are equal. So who is the heaviest? A. I have given the options down. She has to circle that one. Now question 2. B is heavier than C and B is heavier than D. B. So I'm reading it because I know it is heavier, but when she has to compare two things and remember the results simultaneously, she goofs up. And that's okay. That's what we are practicing these questions again and again, so she gets comfortable. Now we are doing number comparison. Again, she gets confused 62 and 26 because this right left thing is confusing for her, but that's okay. We are practicing. In some I have kept the 100 number same and tens I have changed. In some hundreds is changing, tens are same, like it's 45 but 245 and 345. In this one 362 326. Just trying to confuse her brain as much possible and see that does she has the focus to figure out that which number are we comparing, are we following the rules. Like I have explained her the rule that you have to check that 100 first, then tens first, that ones first. Does she remember? Not always, but yes, that's why we are still practicing these questions again and again with different busy books to make sure that we talk about it again and again and that it gets registered somewhere in the mind. So we are doing the number comparison here. Now this is a fun game that make the number. Give me any number which is greater than 205. It can be 305, it can be 206, anything. Just let her mind go wherever. I want a number which is lesser than 449. I want a number which is greater than 456. And I want a number which is less than 200. Again, I'll see that, it gives an idea. She's changing the ones, she's changing the hundreds, or she's changing the tens. What is her direction of thinking? That gives me an ideas for more busy books that which is the thing I have to focus on. And the last one is again it is advanced level to what we did earlier. I have given 2 numbers. She has tried a between number. So I want a number which is greater than 426 but is which is less than 426 but greater than 420. Now it's complicated for her. Thinking first, she has to think what comes after 420 or what comes before 426. It's a 3-digit number. She'll be anyways confused, but yes, that's what I want to see till what level she can think. So it's not that she will do herself and she'll be perfect in it. No, it gives an idea how much she can think and how much is the complexity level she can handle at this age, and how I have to take this topic forward with her. So these are the different kind of questions I have created to find a between number. There are 2-digit numbers also. They are bigger 3-digit number. They are smaller 3-digit numbers. Added the variety as much as I could just to see that where have we reached in this number level. So this all is our busy book for my younger one. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.